Here is Veep 20-year weekly chart. No, your draw just came from this low, 322 with the rest of the S&P up to here. And I draw you sort of want to know what that is if you could. You know, what is that? Where's the draw from there? And we know it's either from here or it could have been from, maybe an extension to get up. But I'm thinking it's like kind of there. And what we know, we'll just take there. It looks like it came right to the 61.8, just incredible, right to the tick. And look at this, right here, 38.2. It tried, there was support there, right at the 38.2 for, gosh, half a year. I mean, geez. And all these people, then something happened, bam. So it looked like it was on its way up to here. But then, of course, it went down with the rest of the S&P. Then went up and nice flying chart. So that's what I really think this is a valid draw. What it's doing now is trying to get to the 61.8. Let's go in and take a little closer look on how what's happening here. So let's go into a 4-hour chart, see if we see something. How to get up here? Here's that low of the 61.8. It looked like when I was saying it's going from something here. It looked like from these highs, it looks like we're starting some extensions. Once a target, twice the targets, kind of blew through, but here's the third one to target right there on the money. You see that one? Boom. Chopped around at those targets for, many couple days. And then bam, right here. Didn't hit these targets yet. And that's not even a 38.2. So now what it looked like it did here was starting to take it from this low up to this high. Okay, this 50 all the way, it finally hit it. Let's go into a 50-minute chart, see what we got here. So from this low to this high, it came back to the 50, double bounced, always, right? Came up, didn't hit the targets, and we're chopping around here. This is a standard chop, third day. That means it's going to probably be retraced. And where's it going to retrace to? And could this, and it would be from this guy here. From this 50 up to these guys. This is the next measured move. Anywhere in between is dangerous, but it looks like that's what it's doing. Didn't reach, it's banging around from this big first move a couple weeks ago. Then this guy goes away, right? And you wait for a retracement here. If these guys come, to 215, it's 240. But just know that this is a pretty big level.
Message from Jeff Burgess at Sprouts this morning.
Just know, if there's a dangerous one, it's when it gets to a bigger level, which is the weekly level, right? So the weekly level is not even shown on this one, but shown here. So the weekly level is this one. This is the weekly level hit. And so the next draw would be to come up here if it hits, even if it just came up to today's. So anything up here could be dangerous because it's coming up to a weekly level that, that's when you want to stay away from the next measured move up here because it could just kind of not make it. So that's how it looks there. Take a look in the hour charts here. See, it's, anyways, that's what's happening. Chopping it down here, it could go down to the 215s. This guy is the longer extension than the weekly. So anything down here could be dangerous too because it knows you got a bigger long just below it. Just that type of stuff. But this stock has just been screaming. Anyways, that's the way I kind of see it. That's it. Good luck. Good trading.